I'll now be buying a boat for coastal waterway in North Carolina. What do I need to know to be the difference in partially salt water? So I guess it's going to be in salt and fresh. So my take on that is just make sure you flush the engine out.
Mm-hmm.
You know, you're gonna, if you've got a Verado outboard, or I don't know if you got an outboard or a stern drive or what, but make sure as soon as you get back from boating, hook the freshwater hose up, flush that thing out. That's going to displace the salt water with fresh water from your hose. And then your services, make sure you get them done. You know, it's at 100 hours or annually, whichever comes first, and keep that boat running for years to go.